Hello viewers, we're back with the vintage Westinghouse air conditioner, and today we're going to be replacing the thermostat. So I have sourced a replacement. This is a Maya thermostat made in Japan, and this one is working properly. It came with this this dial on it. I put this on the switch instead because this one wasn't working on the switch. I'm going to put this one on the thermostat instead because this seems to want to cooperate. That works okay. So we'll do that. Unfortunately, I cut these off to test it, and it's kind of a shame because I could just throw these on here and make sure this works. Now, of course, these should be replaced because they're very oxidized. Actually, all of these should be replaced because they're all fairly oxidized. So I'll get some more, but just for now, so we can get the test going, I'm going to reuse these. So let's see here. We got to get this off of here first. I'm hoping this new one fits. I didn't really measure it or anything. I'm just... where did that go? I think they're a fairly standard size, so we'll see soon enough what's going to happen. I don't know if this can be repaired or not. I'm going to hold on to it and see if I can fix it. But anyways, I don't know where the probe would have been on this thing. Unless it just, I don't know, whatever. Anyways, this one has a probe to it. So I'll go in front of the evaporator like that. And actually, is that going to be... Well, we'll just have to deal with it. Let's see here. And it's not anything remotely close to being a standard size. Well, that's fine. I'll just have to drill in new holes. Let's see here. I want it to sit like this. Well, it's not going to. I'm worried this thing is going to just break off of here. It's going to have to go like this. And neither hole is going to line up, so alright, no problem. We'll just have to drill new holes. A yellow jacket just came in the shop. This is the second time within the last week that I've seen one in here. So I think we may have a problem on our hands. Anyways, so I'm recording with caution because I couldn't get it, so I don't know where it is. Regardless, the holes are drilled and the thermostat is in place. So this is what the controls are going to look like. It's not great, but it's going to work. This will be the temperature and this will be the speeds. It's 65 degrees in here, and it's clicking probably about like, I don't know, 80% towards the other direction. So it probably goes down to about 60 degrees, which is colder than I'd ever needed to be. And then I gotta get this to cooperate here. I'm just gonna do something like this. which again is not the greatest. It's going to have to do. And I've decided I'm not going to test it in this video because this wire is cut too short to even reach up there if I put the old terminals back on. So I'm just going to go around and get all new ones to replace all the wiring in here. I'm going to check the resistance of the main lead cord here, and if that's okay then I'll leave it, otherwise we can get a new one of those too. We'll do a part 2 on the thermostat replacement.